My dream began with me riding roller coasters with my brother. I was having a lot of fun, but my brother was getting sick. The scene then changed, and I found myself exploring some ancient ruins that I discovered in my neighborhood. I've had many dreams exploring ruins like these, but in this dream, it was suddenly revealed to me that the ancient ruins were a symbol of me discovering long-abandoned knowledge. In this instance, it was knowledge concerning the flat Earth. I then found myself walking through my neighborhood and just happened to see Simon Dan at one of the houses. I casually waved at him and said, "Hi, I'm Kyle Adams." I then began to rotate my arms and flew away. He was somewhat irritated by this. Me flying away in this instance represented me doing something that he thought was impossible. I flew to a party the city mayor was throwing in front of the high school football field for some kind of accomplishment that I had achieved. It was like a tailgating party, and there was a table full of hot dogs. I looked down at them, and then I looked to the mayor and said, "I'm sorry, I'm a vegetarian." This seemed to both irritate and disappoint the mayor, who was throwing the party for me. I then saw an old acquaintance of mine. He also apologized and said he was a vegetarian as well. Upon hearing this, I very excitedly and enthusiastically gave him a big high five and told him, "I had no idea you were a vegetarian." I then explained to the mayor that I get really excited about discovering other vegetarians because being a vegetarian can be quite lonely at times. I still did look through the food though, grabbing a bun to fill it with condiments like onions, pickles, lettuce, ketchup, and mustard. Some of the food that the mayor had to offer still interested me. I then woke up and had to write it down because it was such a vivid and interesting dream. It was then revealed to me that the mayor represented the government and the food represented a government education. I enjoy making Flat Earth videos and sharing my discoveries. I consider each one an accomplishment. In response to these, people often come up to me and say, "Yeah, well, NASA claims this and NASA claims that." To which I respond, "I'm sorry, I don't trust NASA." This has a way of disappointing and irritating people. I then figured out what the roller coaster represented. I really enjoy these Flat Earth conversations, but I really can't say the same for each member of my family. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have ever had any Flat Earth dreams, I would love to hear about them.